100% cotton. Imported. Blooming Prairie spreads a riot of garden colors across your bedroom scene. Each quilted fabric block is carefully assembled, seamed and finished with fabric-bound edges. Made in China. A riot of garden colors and reversed to an all-over jacobean print on a soft yellow ground. Each fabric square is carefully seamed and quilted. Matches a wide variety of color schemes. Easy care machine washable cotton. 100% cotton face, back and fill. Top reviews from the United States. Thrilled with this quilt and accessories. Love this quilt and accessories. I got the throw today and some valances to match. Queen quilt coming tomorrow. I am going to use a valance to make runners for my dresser and nightstand and another one to make extra pillows. I am putting one of the buttons in the center of the pillows to pull it in. I may turn the tab curtain valance into a pocket rod as a lady did on here, and she shows a picture. It is going over some cream-colored long curtains. I have 2 dogs and 2 cats in the house and I don't want something expensive on my bed to worry about. It looks like it will wash well. Perfect weight for spring and summer. I spent a long time looking online and found the perfect quilt and I am thrilled.